I'm gonna call you out a little bit here about mistakes you might be doing, and I want to share things that everyone should do for their skin. To me, skincare routines are not always black and white. What works for your friend may not work for you. For example, when I talk about clearing acne, your acne may not be cleared up with this kind of product that for your friend it does, but rather with some additional lifestyle changes and a professional treatment, and vice versa. Somebody skin condition needs different attention. So it's not black and white. I believe in a gray area, and everyone else's journey is personal. That's why, for example, the facials in my salons are very personal and tailored for each person. But there are few areas where I have a very black and white opinion. And I was kind of quiet for a long time with my opinions that comes from my knowledge and experience. But now I want to give you the things that I think everybody, no matter what, should do for their skin, for cleaning their skin and keeping it healthy. So many times I've asked for skincare rules that will lead to healthy beauty skin, and I usually tell that it's very personal. There are things that everybody should do, but it's very personal. But now let's go again, like I said, to the rules or the things that everyone should do for their skin. Number 1, when you exfoliate your skin, avoid exfoliating beads and aggressive ingredients, because harsh ingredients like plastic micro beads that you can find sometimes in exfoliators should never be used on your face. This can irritate your skin, strip away the oils, and create more breakout. So avoid these plastic beads and also avoid over exfoliating. Number 2, always wash your face morning and night with 2-stage cleansing process. Because our face is like a magnet for dirt, germs, and bacteria, and there is no reason to let it sit on your skin and make it unhealthy. When we do that, when we are lazy with our cleansing, we clog the pores, and it can cause acne, breakouts, irritation, and quick aging. Nobody wants that. So wash your face morning and night with a gentle cleanser to keep it clean and healthy. And what I recommend, my 2 steps are the face cleanser, the natural face cleanser, and the flower toner, which will hydrate and close the process. It takes only 2 minutes to clean your skin. Don't give up on that. Never go to sleep with makeup unless you like to age in 10 years overnight. But I don't think so. Number 3, these hand sanitizers we all had to use not so long ago. So never buy one that, if you still use them, or hand soap that contains something that's called triclosan. This ingredient is not good for you or for the environment. It's been linked to hormonal disruption and brain damage. It can make your way into your breast milk if you're breastfeeding, and it's a completely unnecessary ingredient. It's kind of like make foam and make the soap feels like it cleans better, but it doesn't. It's unnecessary. So if you see this ingredient, don't use it. And by the way, if you want, I have a recipe to make your own hand sanitizer on the blog. I will link it down below. Number 4, stay away from perfume and fragrance. Perfumes are made with ingredients that are not only unregulated, but just so irritated and so bad for you, and even just to breathe them. So when you see on a label the word fragrance or perfume, what you don't see on this word are like 3,000 something chemicals that are represented. And this, like, the tons of research been made about the damage that it can cause your health, and that also for those around you who smell it. So starting from headaches to more serious conditions. So synthetic perfumes, fragrance, stay away from. You want a nice smell of your products, essential oils will do the work, not only as good smell, but they're also active. Number 5 is more a lifestyle thing. Try to remove, or at least decrease sugar and milk, cow milk products from your diet. Maybe it's gonna be hard, but you'll be glad you did it, because sugar just make the skin not flexible. So hello wrinkles, no. And cow milk can cause redness and inflammation, and of course acne. It creates moist in the body, and moist is a very good place for bacteria to grow. And the last one, number 6, never overlook the importance of a professional treatment in your beauty routine. Regular facial treatments cannot be replaced by home treatments, since you cannot clean properly yourself without causing more dirt and scars. Sorry, I know it's hard, but please stop touching your face and stop trying to pop up things with hands that are not clean, with skin that are not clean. It will only cause you more scars, and will take longer for the skin to heal. Besides the cleansing, the level of hydration, vitamins, and nourishing that provide in a professional facial can only brought to the skin during professional treatment, and it's always unique and personal to you, because I, for example, use the ingredients that I know that are best for your skin, and these are like more active ingredients that you don't have in your home skin products. So I'm very passionate about these lifestyle changes, and even if it seems hard, you will not regret it. Cleansing your skin morning and night, removing sugar and cow milk, perfume and fragrance, everything I spoke about. Don't give up on yourself, don't give up on your skin. These things are crucial for your skin health and to slow down aging and to prevent irritation and breakouts. If you need any help, have any questions, need advices, whatever, please don't hesitate to contact me, book a treatment, send me an email or a message, and I'm happy to help.